When we start talking about oxygen cleaning, we want to ensure that we have minimized metallic particulate and that we have minimized or eliminated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon oils and greases are flammable. When you take something that's flammable and you put it into an increased oxygen concentration, it lowers the temperature necessary for ignition, and it will increase the rate of combustion. Running 100% oxygen at high pressure through a tube that has oil on the inside of it will end catastrophically. And then you look about particulate. Particulate and gaseous oxygen is a really big deal. High pressure gaseous oxygen systems, you're flowing high purity oxygen at high pressure through a system and there's loose metallic particulate. You're launching that particulate down the inside of the tube. Any small spark, any amount of friction will be enough to cause ignition. Again, a few metal particles in a high pressure, high purity oxygen system will cause a pretty catastrophic result.